Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I am well. I'm just going to pick something up I dropped on the floor, but I can still hear you.
Okay,
Sorry. It's just if I don't pick it up, the dog's going to eat it. So
okay, no problem.
I knocked over some CDs when I picked up my phone, and I don't want the dog to start eating the CDs. So
Okay.
yeah, and I dropped something else too, but I don't know where it went. So tell me, how are you?
I am good.
Good.
How about you?
Good. I am well, thank you. Where are you calling from?
From India.
India. Oh,
Yes.
what part of India?
Northern part.
Can you get that from the dog, please?
What happened?
He's got my makeup, please. I'm sorry. He got something. I had to get my husband to get rid of him. So what part?
North.
North. Are you near Kashmir? Yeah?
Yes, you know.
Yes. I do. Is it Kashmir?
Sorry?
I know Kashmir. I've heard of Kashmir, yes. They have a lot of houseboats there, yeah?
Yes, exactly.
I hear they're very beautiful.
Yes, so beautiful. Kashmir is a paradise.
Oh, maybe someday I can go visit and see the houseboats. Yes.
Yeah.
How are you? Is your family, is everybody well?
Yes, all good.
Good. Everybody's good. I'm glad. Does Kashmir have a lot of the virus? Because I know India is having a hard time right now. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
A lot of coronavirus.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Is everybody on lockdown?
Yes, lockdown.
Yeah.
Completely lockdown.
Complete lockdown, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where are you from?
We're living in Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville, Tennessee is in the south part of the United States.
Okay. Oh, wow.
It's not far. It's a couple states away from Florida. So close to Florida. Yeah.
Okay. So you tell me a little bit about your country. What is the famous thing?
Yes. What?
You tell me about your country.
Oh, okay. Well, right now we're very fortunate because our numbers are very low here in the United States. So we're very, that's a good thing. They've just lifted restrictions here, so we don't have them anymore. We don't even have masks that people have to wear.
Yes.
So it's right now the numbers are low, so it's very unrestricted. So it's been people are happy about that. And it's a big country, as you know, very big. The United States is very big. Yes, very big. We are, I have to say, where we live, our weather is good. Our weather is pretty good where we live. So it's summer now. It's warm. So it's we're happy about that. And we have also, where we live is very mild winters. We do get a tiny bit of snow here, but it's very small amount.
Yeah.
Very
so
small.
there is the nature in your country?
Nature?
Yeah.
There's a lot of beautiful flowers and a lot of parks that have many different kinds of trees. lots of trees, different
Fruit
kinds
trees?
of, yes, we have fruit trees, we have pine, we have maple, but we do have most fruits grow in different parts of the United States. Some places grow apples, some places grow oranges, some places grow lemons and limes. We have banana trees. Down
Nice.
south, yeah, and on Hawaii they can grow pineapple, but I don't think anywhere else grows pineapple. I think only in Hawaii.
So, what is the famous fruit in your country?
The most famous that people like to eat?
Yeah.
I think people like to eat watermelon.
Watermelon. Oh, wow.
Very
You like?
popular. Yes, especially on a hot
like?
summer day. Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
I do. On a hot summer day, I like watermelon. It's nice and refreshing. Yes,
Yeah.
very refreshing. Yeah, yeah. How about you? What do you like?
We eat. Yeah. Actually, watermelon we eat in Ramadan.
Oh, Ramadan. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
We eat it in Ramadan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Oh. Oh, it
So
looks like you're
I
gonna
like
cut up
banana
bananas. I like bananas
and
too.
mango.
Mangoes are one of my favorites. They're one of my favorites. Yes.
Okay, nice
Nice
to
to
meet
meet
you
you.
again. So
You
bye
too.
bye.
Bye now.